Hi, I'm Marko Wenzel. I'm a German civil engineer and living in Canada for 13 years in the wonderful province of New Brunswick. Solar energy was always in Germany way earlier a thing to do. And when the incentives coming out from the government, I was like, okay, now it's time to get a solar system. Filled out the form, got a call from one of the representatives, and we had a, I think, half-hour long chat. And then I was like, okay, let's go. Not really sure. At this time, there were not much companies around on the market. I was searching a little bit, and there were not much available companies who doing mostly all the work by themselves. I think the material came a week earlier, and installation team came, and I think after 2 days it was mostly installed on the roof. And then the electrician came, get the cable, and we had it on the garage, so it was a little bit more work to go into the house and back out for the meter, but it was a smooth thing. Unexpected challenges was like the main electrician was not available or was on vacation, so they were a little bit back and forth, but then another licensed electrician came and get it done. Oh yes, of course, I took them all. There was the loan, there was the federal grant, and there was also the provincial grant. Nothing. It just needs a little bit rain from time to time to wash them. If I'm contacting by email, same day, next day, there's an answer, and then it will be fixed, but I think it was just 1 or 2 times. I wasn't expecting that my solar system is producing that much power. So I was expecting less, and maybe it's this summer, but it's doing a great job. It will definitely increase the value of the home, and it's working. The only thing is what I'm still thinking of a power outage to find a way that the solar panel still can produce power without, but power outages were not that much since it's installed. Next step, I think, will be that I'm getting a battery pack to just having also at power outages some incentives of it. But I definitely will go also with solar.